Hello, friends. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Exam 4. In this video, we came with some more important GK questions which is related to Indian geography. So, these questions will be very useful in competitive exams like SSC, bank exams, and other similar exams. So, now we will see the questions in detail. First question: which passes make the way to the land route between Kailas and Manasarovar? Here there are four options. You can pick the correct answer from the given options and comment it in the comment section. We will reveal the answer within few seconds. And the correct answer is Mana Pass. It makes the way to the land route between Kailash and Manasarovar. Next question: which of the following imaginary line almost divides India into two equal parts? Please comment your answer in the comment section. And the correct answer is Tropic of Cancer. It divides India into two equal parts. Which of the following geographical term which is related with the piece of subcontinental land and that is surrounded by the water? And the correct answer is island. It is a piece of subcontinental land which is surrounded by water. Next question: which of the following geographical term which is related with the body of land and which is surrounded by water on three sides? Here they have given four options. Please select the correct answer from the given options and comment it in the comment section. And the correct answer is peninsula. It is a body of land and it is surrounded by water on three sides. Next question: which of the following passes cuts through the Pir Pinjal range and links Manali and Leh by the road? Please select the correct answer from the given options. And the correct answer is option 2, Rohtas Pass. It cuts the Pir Pinjal range and links Manali and Leh by the road. Next question: which of the following water body separates the Andaman from Nicobar? And the correct answer is option 2, 10-degree channel. It separates Andaman from Nicobar. Next question: which of the following pass has been created by the Indus River? Comment your answer in the comment section. And the correct answer is Banihal Pass. It is created by the Indus River. Next question: where is the Loktak Lake situated? Here they have given four options. You can select your answer from the given options. And the correct answer is Manipur. It is situated in Manipur. Next question: which of the following river is called Hazarasoro of Bengal? If you want some more time, you can pause this video and comment your answer in the comment section. And the correct answer is Option 3. The Kosi. It is called as a sorrow of Bay of Bengal. Tenth question. Which of the following rivers flows in a rift valley? And the correct answer is option 4, the Narmada. It flows in a rift valley. So these are all the questions which are related to the Indian geography. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.